Our drone operator and our patrol unit were able to work together to make contact and deter a trespasser on property. Our drone operator was doing a routine check of the property when he noticed an individual by the riverbank fishing on the south side of the property.
Drone actually found this one as part of a regular mission, saw the person's campfire right next to their fishing spot, and was able to go over there.
The drone operator immediately put on his lights, contacted our officers, and also informed them that the individual had a machete on his person.
The monitoring team helped us to identify suspicious individuals that were on property with the detailed location, what they were wearing, and had a machete in his hand, so we knew when we got there what to do and how to de-escalate it before it got out of hand.
A drone's able to get across a big site like this really quickly, which has been very helpful in other situations. We're able to go in a straight line, not have to navigate around buildings and turns and bridges and all that.
There's a lot of trains that go through all the time. There's times where we can't get from one side to the other, so we could contact the drone operator, say, hey, can you fly over on this area for me? They could cover a large amount and they could see more things that your eyes normally wouldn't see.
To the person in the gray shirt near the dumpster, you are trespassing.
The drone's equipped with a spotlight and a speaker where we can talk directly to the person. Spotlight in this situation was very pivotal in letting the person know that we were watching them and that we knew where they were. It also helped the officers on the ground find the person and kept them illuminated for the officer's safety. Drone is also equipped with infrared that help us find the person even in the extremely dark conditions that it was there.
Once we were at the scene, the drone helped us to identify the individuals so we know exactly where to go. So having the eye in the sky helps.
After a brief conversation with him, he finally picked up his belongings and left property.
The drone's easy to integrate because it's basically a flying camera. Cameras are something they're already familiar with, and a drone gives them a point of view that they wouldn't get otherwise. And then we can actually give them a direct feed even to a cell phone or tablet straight from the drone software.
If I'm dealing with one issue and the drone's flying around and he spots another issue somewhere else, he could give me all the feedback while I'm finishing up with one thing and then head over to deal with another thing that I probably wouldn't have saw because I'm dealing with something else.
Security drones provide fast response, wider range of coverage, reduces risk, and it strengthens the overall security operations.